I'm going to show you how to get rid of all ads on your iPhone completely free without needing to install any third-party apps. I think one thing we can all agree is that ads are everywhere and no one likes them. Sometimes the integration of ads is more subtle and sometimes really disruptive, depending on the site or app you're using. This site, for example, is pushing me a ton of massive ads after each paragraph. In some apps, you'll see ads within the app like this one here, and we can eliminate all these without installing any ad blockers. The best way to do this is by using a private DNS provider called AdGuard. They have an iPhone app that requires a paid subscription, but a better way to use this for blocking ads is to manually install a profile from their site. It's free, works flawlessly, and covers everything on your phone. You can Google AdGuard DNS, and you should see a link for connecting to public AdGuard DNS server. You'll first see a recommendation to download the app, but we're going to scroll past that to the manual option. Here I can expand the list of supported devices and then pick iOS from the list. You can choose what server you want to use, either the default, non-filtering, or a family protection server that blocks additional things like adult content. You'll then download a configuration profile, allow the download, and after that we'll need to go to our settings to turn on the profile. When I go to settings, I can see on the top that there's a new profile downloaded. I'll install the profile, and that's really it. Your phone will ask a few confirmations, and once you proceed with the installation, you're all set. If I go to that web page I showed earlier, you'll see how the slot for the ads is there, but once the page fully loads, those just go away. I've noticed the behavior depends on the site or app I'm using. Some of them will show a blank spot for the ad, some will just eliminate the blank spot completely. Here's a comparison on two separate phones looking at the same article online. One of them is using the private DNS and the other one is not. Pretty big difference in the appearance. Sometimes using a private DNS could block your phone from showing the login page that's needed to use Wi-Fi at airports or hotels. If that happens, you can temporarily disable this to connect to the Wi-Fi and then turn it back on once you're connected. To turn off private DNS, you'll go to Settings, General, and from there scroll down to VPN and Device Management. Then look for the DNS option and change it from AdGuard to Automatic. This will revert everything back to default, and you can switch back to the AdGuard profile whenever you'd like. Also worth noting that even though this blocks most ads, it's unable to block ads on YouTube. YouTube serves their ads from the same domain as the video itself, so DNS is unable to work around that. Because a private DNS doesn't require any third-party apps, it doesn't affect battery life at all. When it comes to internet speed, it usually doesn't slow down your internet. When your phone loads a website, it asks a DNS server for the address, and using a custom DNS can sometimes add a few extra milliseconds for that lookup. But in many cases, things actually load faster because the DNS blocks ad and tracking servers, so your device downloads fewer things in the background. Your actual internet speed stays the same, and it doesn't affect download speed. You might actually save some data because you're not loading ads. And that's how you block all ads on your iPhone. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more guides like this.